Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your account email on Wish. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to change your account email on Wish. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to www.wish.com. If prompted, click the sign in button at the top right corner and log in with your account credentials. After logging in, locate your profile icon or account name at the top right corner of the page, and once you're done, from the drop-down menu, click on Settings, and that's going to take you over here. On the Settings page, you find various account management options. Go ahead and click on Account Settings, and it's going to open you up to this. Now, under Account Settings, you'll find an option that says Email. Head over to the email category, and just right below the email category, you can find an option that says Update Email. Click on Update Email, click on the designated field for email and go backspace on this. Once you go backspace on this, click backspace to delete everything and write or input the new email address that you want. Once you enter the new email address, click on Update Email. Now, you may be asked to enter your current account password for security verification or just go through some kind of verification processes. After entering Update Email to save the changes, which will send the verification email to your new email address to confirm the change. Go to your email inbox, find the email from which, and click on the verification link provided in the message. This step is crucial to complete the update process and activate your new email address. Once you've verified your new email, go back to your Wish account. Alright, and in the settings or under account settings section, you should now see your updated email address. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.